So today I'm going to show you how to check subscriptions on Rocket Money. Now we're going to be here in real time, so I can show you step by step on our iOS device. You can see on the bottom left hand side of the screen here, we're currently on our dashboard. Now, one thing I do want to note that in order to see subscriptions that you have, you do need to make sure you have a bank account or two or whichever amount that you have available for them to actually go ahead and do this. So with ours, you can see right here, we have one checking account currently, but if you also have like credit cards or any kind of savings accounts, we want to make sure we add those so that way Rocket Money can actually see the accounts to then be able to go ahead and see the subscriptions with. Now let's go ahead and say that you already have your checking account here added. And if not, again, you can click on the word add in those sections to be able to go and do that. We want to go ahead to the section down here towards the bottom that says reoccurring. And this is going to show you any reoccurring payments that you have that are coming up. Now, if you actually go over to the All tab over here on the right-hand side, this is going to show you some of your subscriptions that you might have based off of this account in particular. So I'm going to actually click on here where it says view for inactive because one of the ones I just canceled are over here. So you can see this right here with Stash is going to be the one that if I wanted to go ahead and cancel, you can go ahead and click on these three vertical dots. Now yours, because it might be active, would be in the other screen earlier, but this is going to be the same steps here for us. We're going to click those dots. And it's going to bring this up here for us. You can actually go right over here where it says cancel Stash. So if you go here, it is going to go through the process here with you to go ahead and cancel your subscription. Now, sometimes it won't have it be available for you directly from Rocket Money, but it will take you step by step on actually how to go do that as well. But also nicely enough, if you search on YouTube, you might be able to find videos here on our channel that will show you how to do that, such as canceling Stash themselves. So if it does give you the option, it will be available for you. So keep in mind that many of these subscriptions might not have availability to just click a button that says cancel directly here. Otherwise, it will be something you have to go through step by step on your own. Now, if you want to learn a little bit more when it comes to utilizing Rocket Money, we actually do have you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.